What you doing? You gotta lift your head up. Hey, let me see you lift your head up. Let me see. There you go. Come on. Come on. Where's your lift your head up. Robbie. Robbie. Come on, bud. You gotta do something. Come on. Come on. Use those muscles. Use those muscles, bud. Other than spitting up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Robbie. Robbie. Let me see ya. We're going to go on 3 minutes here if you don't start doing something. Robert. Hi, sweetie. Come here. Look over here. Come on, lift that head up, bud. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, buddy. Yay! All right. Couple more seconds. Couple more seconds. Good job, buddy. Good job.